In today's interconnected world, reliable power is essential. Transformers are the heart of our energy systems, powering everything from our homes to our industries. However, these critical assets face challenges: aging infrastructure, increasing demand, and the need for greater sustainability. Hitachi Energy, with over a century of expertise in transformer design and manufacturing, offers a comprehensive suite of services to ensure optimal transformer performance for any transformer of any brand of manufacturer. Our transformer services span the entire life cycle: installation and commissioning, maintenance and operations, digitalization, upgrades and refurbishments, and end-of-life management. We leverage the power of digitalization for our transformer service. The T-Expert ecosystem by Hitachi Energy enables predictive maintenance, optimizes operations, and enhances reliability. From utilities and renewables to industrial applications, we serve a wide range of industries, customers, and applications, ensuring reliable power for all. Choose from flexible transformer service packages like TX Life and Encompass agreements, tailored to your specific needs and budget. Whether routine maintenance or advanced refurbishments, we have the expertise to support your needs at more than 30 locations worldwide. Eco-friendly practices, energy-efficient solutions, minimize environmental impact, reduce maintenance costs, extend transformer lifespan, optimize resource allocation. Minimize downtime, maximize uptime. With a global network of service centers and a team of 1,000+ experienced professionals, we provide quick and reliable support wherever you operate. Our service portfolio is designed with customer needs at the forefront, combining agility with technical excellence. As a trusted partner, we're committed to delivering reliable solutions and building long-term relationships. Safeguard transformer excellence with Hitachi Energy. Visit our website, hitachienergy.com/transformer-service. Contact us today to schedule a consultation.